Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to video editing on our MacBook in just a few steps. So let's get started. So first guys, we need to have our own application, and in order to do that guys, you need to go to our app store and search for video editor here and see for a free video editor. So guys, I'll be using, so I already downloaded some, it says cannot connect here. So I have already downloaded some, video editor. So I've choose this iMovie. So you just have to open it, guys. Mm-hmm. And just click continue. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna add this one, guys, here. And you can actually play this, guys. Okay, so after seeing this video, guys, you can actually export it here by clicking this one, export file, and the format, the tags, and of course the resolution, the quality, and of course the compress. Okay, you just have to click next, and where to save it, you know, whether you like it on documents in one, guys. So you just have to hit save, guys. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.